Hi guys, and welcome ulit sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng Spareribs Caldereta. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, tatanggalin lang natin itong membrane, itong puting parang plastic dito sa likod ng ribs. So, gagatlaan nyo lang yung dulo para makuha nyo yung maliit na membrane. Mas madali kung gagamit kayo ng paper towel panghila. Mas madali siyang hilahin. Ito na yung last piece ng membrane. Ayan, natanggal na natin. So, itapon na natin to. And then, ikakat na natin itong ating ribs individually. So, gumamit ako ng 1 kilogram ng spare ribs dito sa reseping ito. Next step, dito sa isang big pot, nilagyan ko na to ng water. Add natin tong 1 piece ng chopped onion and half a tablespoon of peppercorn. Add salt to taste. And then ito transfer na natin yung hiniwa nating spare ribs. Yung water, just enough lang na masubmerge yung ating ribs. And then we will cover this and we will simmer this for about 30 minutes. Next, mag-preheat lang tayo ng oil dito sa ating pan at igigisan natin itong another piece ng onion. At i-add ko na rin itong 1 piece ng chopped tomato. Continue lang natin ang paggisa hanggang sa lumambot yung ating onion and tomato. Ayan, malambot na yung ating tomato and onion. Pwede na natin i-add itong 45 cloves of minced garlic. At continue lang natin ang paggisa hanggang sa lumabas ang aroma ng ating garlic. Ayan, ready na ang ating onion, tomato, and garlic. I-add na natin itong napalambot nating spare ribs. Ayan, haluin lang natin ng konti at igigisa lang natin to for about 5 minutes. Ayan, after 5 minutes na pagigisa, ready na yung ating ribs. Kung makikita nyo, nagmamantika na siya. Pwede na natin i-add itong 1/4 kilogram ng boiled and pureed liver. At itong 2 to 3 tablespoon ng soy sauce. Add ko na rin yung 1 small can ng liver spread or kung dito sa UK, liver pate. Add na rin natin itong 1 cup ng tomato sauce. At i-add na din natin itong 2 cups ng pinaglagaan ng ating pork ribs. And we'll mix it well. Cover this and we will simmer this for 10 to 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes ng simmering, tanggalin natin yung takip at haluin lang natin ito para hindi didikit. And then kung gagamit kayo ng carrots or potatoes, pwede nyo nang ilagay ngayon as optional ingredients. Then continue lang natin ang pag-simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes without cover. After 15 minutes, pwede na natin itong i-season ng pepper to taste and salt to taste. Adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. Then haluin lang natin ito. And pwede na natin i-add itong 1 piece ng sliced bell pepper. At i-add ko na rin itong half a cup of pitted green olives. Optional lang ito. Kung gagamit kayo ng carrots at potato, pwede nyo na lang. Then you can add half a cup or 3/4 cup ng grated cheddar cheese. And mix it well. And we will continue to simmer this hanggang sa lumapot yung ating sauce. Pwede din kayong maglagay ng konting cornstarch slurry para mag-thicken yung ating sauce. Pero yung grated cheese, magpapalapot na rin ito ng ating sauce. And after about 5 minutes, malapot na yung ating sauce. This one is ready. Pwede nyo nang i-turn off yung heat. And we will transfer this in a serving bowl ready for serving. And there you have it, our Spareribs Caldereta. Best served with rice. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayong updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.